There is an airfield there at Princess Juliana Intl airport. A recently graduated pilot has been flying the pattern, or at least trying to do so, in a Cessna172, registered as Delta Echo November Mike uniform. Without major mishaps, he is currently upwind and will proceed to turn crosswind, hitting 190. There is a good view, and he'll be turning soon downwind, but let's see what happens. The pilot momentarily releases controls and the plane suddenly rolls to the right. Follow this movement with the jog and complete the barrel roll and regain control. He has succeeded, but damage has occurred and he has lost considerable altitude. But worse, under the current circumstances, it is impossible to recover it. He only stabilizes the plane and it starts an approach trajectory to runway 100 feet above sea level. Several minutes have passed and the pilot has finally reached the airport and is about to land. The engine stalls and he makes touchdown at 60 knots with 2 wheels and veering to the left. He managed to put the third wheel on the runway, but to achieve it, it has deviated again, now to the right. The pilot manages to bring the plane back to the runway. He starts to lose speed. Finally, the plane has stopped.